Waalaikumsalam. Songkrakatu. Assalamualaikum Karakatum. Papalipad ako ngayon ng aking RC Era C138. So Bell 206. Yan, paliliparin ko to. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to my channel. My name is Ernest. And papaliparin ko to. RC Era Bell 206 C138. So ano to, famous na RC helicopter. This one is the bearing plate version. I don't know kung anong klaseng bearing plate ang sinasabi niyan. And the other one is the ordinary plate. I don't know kung ano yung difference. Siguro I had to buy another one, but it's a bit expensive. So let's see if I can be able to buy another one. Ang bibilin ko kung sakali ay yung ordinary plate na tinatawag. This one is bearing plate according to the description na binili ko. So I don't know exactly. So sa mga nakakalam kung anong bearing plate and pagkakaiba sa ordinary plate, I just comment. Anyway, let's go. Teka, nagre-record ba? Yes, nagre-record na. Assalamualaikum Karakatum. Indonesian. Paliliparin ko siya. Yan. So bearing plate. Assalamualaikum Karakatum. Yan. Alright. So let's go. So this one is having a bearing plate. Let's go. I wanna go. Oh la la. Yan. Ganda. RC Era C138 Bell 206. Alright. Stable and very nice. Assalamualaikum Karakatum. Helicopter, RC helicopter 133 scale. Right. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Scale, scale.